Namaskar, Sharmila here from Sharmila Tussar, South Kolkata, and I am back with my Tussar sarees. As many of you have been, telling me that I am not showing Tussar sarees recently, and I am showing kurtis and all. So I am back with Tussar sarees. And Tussar is a fabric which can be used all the year round. গরমে গরম লাগে না একেবারেই না এটা আমাদের ভুল ধারণা কিন্তু সিল্কে গরম লাগে silk you cannot wear in summer but tussar you can. These are all home washable product in shampoo, but if you will have to use shampoo, you should not dip them for long. As you know, these are very delicate products, handmade products. So this is how the sari goes, the hand painting. If you like the sarees, I'll give you some pictures also somewhere. If you like the sarees, take screenshots and send us your choices. This is it. Beautiful. And Firoza and hand painting. This is batik, lotus flower. This is how it goes. The palla of the sari is this, and the whole sari goes like this. Beautiful sari. And the blouse piece is royal blue in color, and this is the sleeve of the blouse. Okay, so if you like the sarees, please take screenshot. And our showroom is in South Kolkata near Kamal Gaji Mode. Give us the next one. These are all crafted at our workshop. I am showing you one fusion work. In this saree you will get batik, you will get kalamkari hand painting, and you will get block prints also. This is the palla of the saree with the crack at this portion. Okay, and the saree is like this. All over the saree batik work has been done. The work is only leaf design, very sober, nothing much has been made, so that the sari looks very smart sari, and the blouse piece has crack in its sleeve. So this is another beautiful maroon color sari. This is last batik sari I am showing you today. It is the palla of the sari with block print. This is block print. We are making fusion work this time. We are enjoying making them, and you are also enjoying this. See, beautiful color combination from dark chocolate to maroon. This is shaded dyed like this, and beautiful. In 3-4 steps these sarees are made. So beautiful one. Thank you so much for being with us and for liking our products.